To turn off auto-reply message on Facebook page using your mobile, first open Meta Business Suite app on your mobile. From the home page, tap on the Inbox tab at the bottom of the screen. In the inbox, tap on three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on Automation. Here tap on Instant Reply. Now turn off the toggle next to the messenger. Finally tap on Save and again tap on Save. That's it. Auto-reply messages are now turned off on your Facebook page. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.